In the Home tab, you'll also find the Arrange group. When placing different elements, like text and images, on a digital document, you need to think about how everything is layered. Consider a scrapbook. You would not glue a picture over top of text. You want to place the image and text in a way where both can be seen. In this software, we call this image alignment and image wrapping. If you select the Wrap Text drop-down, you'll see the options None, Square, Tight, Top and Bottom, and Through appear. This will change how your image sits around your text. You should insert an image over some text and then see how these different options work. To move an object forward or backwards, simply find the Arrange group in the Home tab and then select the Bring Forward or Send Backward option. You can hit the downward arrow next to it to bring up the Bring Forward or Bring Right to Front. Alternatively, Send Backwards or Send to Back. This will send something right to the back or bring it right to the front, should you need it. In this group, you'll also find the Group and Ungroup option. When working with digital documents, making posters and things like that, you'll be wanting to include images, text, and other objects. This can get a bit messy if you're trying to move things around and you have to move things one by one. The Group option allows you to combine all the selected objects into one. This way you can move all without disrupting the formatting. To do this, simply highlight multiple objects. You could also hold the Control or Shift key while you're selecting them. Then you can select the Group option. If you don't want them grouped anymore, simply select the objects and then select Ungroup. Lastly, you have the Rotate option. If you select the drop-down in the Rotate Objects, you'll see you can rotate it 90 degrees to the right or to the left. You can also flip vertical and flip horizontal. Have a play around this with these options, because if you want to mirror an object in one of your documents, this is where you can go to do it.